Here's exactly how I make over $44,000 per month just helping local business owners get Google reviews. You can see this is my Stripe account. You can see the hover animation. This is real. This is year to date. It's only February 9th. We've already made $58,000. You can see me here less than 4 years ago, totally broke college student. This totally changed my life. I'd love to help you do the same. If you don't know who I am, my name is Clay Lawrence, founder of reviewharvest.com. I've got 2 SaaSpreneur awards, and I've gone from 0 to over 700 SaaS clients in the last couple years. And unlike 99% of other gurus out there, I actually do this every single day. You can see reviews of my water bottle. We've got over 250 reviews. This is our YouTube channel specifically just for reviews. I actually do this. All that revenue I just showed you, none of that came from this YouTube channel. That all came solely from helping local businesses get reviews. So if you want to learn from somebody that has the trench knowledge because they've actually done it, stick around. Here's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover why review automation is the best high-level feature to sell. We're going to cover how to get your first 10 customers fast without any ad spend or any cold calling. We'll cover how to actually set up a client's account correctly so they stay and pay you forever. And lastly, we'll cover why this is a great foot in the door service. It makes upselling a higher ticket service incredibly easy. So why reviews the best thing to sell in 2026 in the age of AI this and AI agent that and lead generation and all that sort of stuff? Businesses still need reviews. It's an incredibly simple service that they need badly. You can see this is the same exact business here, and all we did was set up one simple automation to request reviews, respond to reviews, and repurpose their reviews for them. And they've gone from 127 reviews in their market that put them as like the 30th or 40th ranked business to now they have over 3,000 reviews 2 years later. And the tricky thing is that at Review Harvest, we exist to make these business owners Google business profiles an accurate reflection of how happy their customers are. If you're on a call with a business owner and you ask them, hey, do you do good service? Do your customers love you? They are going to say, yes, I do an amazing job. If I do something wrong, we go out and fix it. We're the best company in our area. The problem is that their Google business profile does not reflect that. So that's where we come in with a stupid simple automation that we can set up in high level to get them a whole bunch of reviews. And nowadays, these reviews are required if they want to rank on the first page of Google. And a lot of these business owners you're talking to are already spending $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month on ads because they don't know how to rank organically for free. So let me show you an example search here. I just typed in plumbers in Columbus, Georgia. And you can see up here at the top, we have the Google guaranteed ads. These people are paying $10, $20, $50 per click and call to get a new customer. A lot of business owners are spending a lot of money. If they turn those ads off, their phone quits ringing. But if you scroll down here to the bottom, you have what's called the map pack. These people rank here organically, meaning no matter how much money they spend on ads, they'll always be here and they're getting the chance for the first click or first call. So many people that use Google just scroll right past the ads and go to these organic listings. So 60 to 80% of the first website click or the first call is going to these 3 businesses. And you can see here, all of these business owners have hundreds and hundreds of reviews, and it's nearly impossible to rank on the first page of Google nowadays without Google reviews. And even if you do rank here without Google reviews, they're not going to choose you because all the other businesses up there have way more reviews and look way more compelling. So hopefully you can see why this is a service that business owners will pay hundreds of dollars a month for just for a simple automation. The second reason why I love selling Google reviews in 2026 is because this service requires very little support. Here's 3 examples of customers we've had for about 3 years that have paid us $8,000, $7,000, $6,000. And in total, I've done about 3 onboarding calls that are about 30 to 45 minutes apiece, probably about 20 to 25 emails for support over the 3 years, and it's generated over $20,000 in revenue from happy clients that pay us every single month for an automated service. And the main reason why this service requires very little support is because we are operating on the back end of their business. In general, business owners spend way more time focused on the front end of their business, getting more customers to pay them, than they do on the back end. So for example, if you're selling lead follow-up, AI agents, if you're running ads, you're doing SEO, you're doing website design, implementing a CRM for them. These are things that they have to do every single day. This puts you in between them and getting a new customer, meaning that every single day, if their phone's not ringing, they're thinking of you. Whereas we sit on the back end of the customer journey after somebody's already paid them and just operate automatically. They get more customers, we get them more reviews, they pay us like we're a utility bill. All of these services on the front end work, but you need to be prepared to support them and educate them on how things work. How do they get set up in high level? How do they respond to leads? What happens if the AI agent says the wrong thing to a customer? These are all reasons that your phone's gonna be blowing up at 10 o'clock on a Friday because the AI agent said something wrong. So now that you can see the value of the service, you're probably thinking, okay, great, but how do we get customers? That's the main reason people don't make money. With this business, people don't quit because they can't get people Google reviews. They quit because they don't know how to get people customers. So the very first thing I want you to do is pull out this thing. It's called a phone.
Isn't it obvious?
And on this phone, you have an app called your Contacts app. And on this Contacts app, you should have hundreds of people that already know, like, and trust you. This is a warm audience that's gonna be the easiest people to sell. Send out hundreds and hundreds of messages saying, hey, I'm starting this thing where I help business owners get reviews. Do you know anyone who'd be interested? Even if they're a business owner, don't solicit them, ask them if they know anybody. If they are a business owner and they're interested, they'll move forward. If not, they might connect you with their friends. The second strategy is to do cold outreach in your local area to try and meet with people face to face. Quick interruption here. If you're considering high level, feel free to sign up with my link down below in the description. You'll get an extended 30-day trial and you'll get access to all my bonuses, right? So you'll get access to my community, my snapshots, hours and hours of training, and you'll get access to 750 other people who are using high level. We have 3 coaching calls a week, 2 of them with me, and we're happy to help you out wherever you are. I really appreciate you. It's just the first link in the description. It really helps out support the channel. Back to the video. The number one thing that you lack in the beginning is that
nobody trusts you, you have no proof.
So if you go local, where they can see you face to face and trust you a lot more, or you go to your phone contacts, you should already have a decent amount of trust, and you should be able to set these people up maybe on a free trial or on a discounted rate to go ahead and get your first case studies and your first testimonials. These will be incredibly important as you scale and sell to colder and colder audiences. But the main thing we're gonna talk about today, the juicy one, is Facebook groups. I'm gonna show you how I got one Facebook group with over 2,400 members that I am now the go-to review person, and we serve over 250 people in that Facebook group that pay us monthly. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure you're joining the right Facebook groups. I like industry-specific ones where you have a bunch of business owners in there. You don't wanna be reaching out to business pages. You wanna find the business owners, what groups they join, and interact with other business owners like them and message them. Next, you can try and join some software specific groups. So let's say you serve cleaners, you can join a Facebook group called Booking Koala, which is a software that a lot of cleaning companies use to run their business. And the last one I like is industry plus business function. So like HVAC marketing or plumber marketing or plumbing sales. You wanna make sure these Facebook groups have less than 10,000 members, and when you join them, you wanna make sure it's not just a bunch of spam. These should be actively engaged groups where people are asking questions and responding. You can see here's some examples of Facebook groups I'm in. Growing a pressure washing business 101. Booking Koala Community, it's a software for cleaners. Outdoor landscape lighting, Christmas light install. There are thousands of these groups. Go join 400 of them. Only about 100 or 150 of them will let you in. And then find the one that you want to make your honey hole, where everyone in this group knows who you are. When you're selling online, you're competing against thousands of other businesses. So you want to find a little pond that you can become a big fish in, where everybody knows you for your specific service. Once you find your group, you want to find the leaders in your group. These people will be the owners of the group, they'll be the admins of the group, they'll be the group experts, they'll have these little badges called like all-star contributor or top contributor. You wanna follow these people and offer your services for free or heavily discounted to get them to see the results and the benefits of your service. So to find them, just go to the Facebook group, click on members, and then you'll see the admins of the group, the all-star contributors, you'll be able to see them all here. You wanna start following them. And it's important that you start slowly following 15 to 30 people in this group every single day so that you get a lot of mutual friends. If you follow these leaders and they follow you back, all of a sudden you're gonna have mutual friends with almost everybody else in the group. And then you wanna make sure that your Facebook profile doesn't look super salesy. When I was doing this every single day and relying on Facebook groups to grow our business, I had just a photo of my wife and family from our wedding up here. And you want your profile to be about 60% personal and about 40% business. So don't make it super salesy, because if they click on that profile, it's super salesy, immediately their guard goes up and they know they're being sold to. So I normally would have like one pinned post where somebody was raving about us, and then I'd have just normal posts like you'd see on an Instagram or a Facebook page. Now, after you start getting the leaders and all these loud people in the group results, they will talk about you. A lot of times you don't even have to ask. They'll make posts like, quick shout out to Review Harvest. They took me from 16 to 104 reviews. Clay Lawrence from Review Harvest is killing it. We're blowing up our reviews. On board with Clay from Review Harvest today. We got 11 reviews on our very first day. And what happens is everybody follows the leader. Everyone else in the group is looking up to these all-star contributors, looking up to the owners of the group, and just doing whatever they do. And so when somebody posts in the group something like this, hey, how do I get more Google reviews? Everybody will comment your name. And now these are the best type of clients. They sign up without a sales call. And if they do a sales call, it's just a formality. They have a couple questions. They trust you already, so you don't have to sell them hard. And they stay and pay you for a while because they know everyone else in the group is getting great results. Literally, the owner of this group actually said, just go with Clay Lawrence, close the post. And they turned the comments off on this specific post because I had become the go-to guy for this service in this group. And also, if you're selling a service through High Level or any other marketing service, this simplifies the integrations and the operations because most of these businesses will operate the same way. So now when they come and you get started with them or you have to onboard them, you don't have to start from zero every single time. You know exactly how to do it. And this is when the DM strategy gets really dangerous. You can click on members here. You can go to members with things in common, and you can just start messaging 10, 20, 30 people a day and message them like you're a friend. Hey, what are you doing for reviews? Hey, are you still using the software? Hey, how was your season this year? And literally when you start messaging them, you'll get replies like, oh, hey, I've been meaning to reach out to you. Hey, I've seen all the great stuff you're doing in the group. Let's talk. Because they're already warmed up and they've already heard about your service. But if you want to see me use this same DM strategy in a cold group that I hadn't like mastered yet, check out this video where I locked myself in my truck until I got a paying customer using Facebook DMs. All right, so now that we covered why review automation is the best service to sell and how to get your first 10 customers, now let me show you how to set up a client so they stay and pay forever. So what you want to do is you want to add them to their high-level sub account, and then you're going to be on an onboarding call with them. This could be face-to-face at a coffee shop, or it could just be over Zoom. The first thing they do is they're going to click on Launchpad, and they're going to click on Connect their Google Business Profile. So this is how you get connected, so that you can grab their review link, so that you can respond to their reviews, all that sort of stuff. The next thing you want to do is grab their previous customer list. The first play in our playbook is to do what we call review reactivation. That means if they've got 1,000 previous customers that they've worked with sitting in their CRM or their booking system, we grab that entire customer list and we slowly reach out to them via text and email with a personalized image, which I'll show you about here in a second. And we can normally get anywhere from 10 to 15% of that customer list to leave them a review in the first couple months. So now you can create an experience where they just got started with you and you've gotten them over 100 plus reviews in the first month or two. They will love you. They will tell their friends. They will rave about you. This is the magic. Most business owners are not used to working with a marketing company or a software company that gets them crazy results and actually does what they tell them they're going to do. And if you're struggling to find their customer list, ask them questions like, hey, what do you use for booking? How do you invoice your customers? Where do the leads go when they fill out a form on your website? How do you schedule your jobs? That'll normally point you to a software they use that has all their customer data that you can export, and then you can come in here and just import their customer list. Click on import and add that CSV file here. The next thing you want them to do is click on marketing and click on Facebook and Instagram and Google Business Profile and get them to connect all of those social accounts. That allows us to turn every single one of their 5-star reviews into social media posts and automatically add it to their story and their feed using their photos, their logos, all that sort of stuff. Literally all you have to do is upload the photos, turn on the automation, select for only 5-star reviews, choose the schedule, and you're done. The next thing you want to do is click on reputation, click on settings, and you want to turn on reviews AI. This means that when they get Google reviews, now we'll automatically respond to all their Google reviews for them so they don't have to do this. This shows potential customers looking at their profile, they're a reputable business that care about their customers, and a lot of times this can save them hours every single week. And what I've done is I've already built out an entire snapshot and all the automations so you can just copy and paste this into your high-level account and start getting your clients' reviews without having to do the whole setup process. So if you want to get access to that snapshot, feel free to sign up my link down below in the description. You'll get an extended 30-day trial. You'll get 2 coaching calls a week with me and access to a community of over 900 people doing the same exact thing. We've got hours and hours of training in there. And just for example here, you can see Samuel started 6 months ago. He has 46 clients and he's already hit $10,000 a month in MRR. Disclaimer here, these results are not typical. He worked really hard for that. So the results will depend on your experience and how hard you're willing to work. This is a very simple business model, not easy. Let me reiterate that. This is a simple business model, not easy. But if you're willing to put the work in, you can get the results and it's so worth it. So you can see I have all the workflows already built out for you. So you'll just dump the customers in here and they'll start getting a bunch of reviews. And lastly, and this is what no other gurus talk about when they're talking about selling reviews through high level, you need to get some sort of CRM integration. What this means is when they get a new customer in their current software, it automatically goes into high level and starts requesting reviews. This makes the entire process automated so they can just forget about you and pay you like a utility bill every single month. I have a video right here on how to do a CRM integration, but just very quickly, you can download a tool called CRM Connector. The business owner can click on this tool. They can select the CRM they use and it'll automatically pull in all their old customers so you don't even have to do a CSV export, and it'll sync it for all the new customers they have. And lastly, if you want to get these people crazy results so they rave about you, pay you for years, and tell their friends, we use what we call personalized images. So instead of just sending out a boring text, we can send out a photo with the owner's face, the technician's face, and we can auto-populate the customer's name on it. So you can see, here's an example. We can put Clay's name, Sally's name, whatever the name of the customer is, we can put their name on this photo and send it out with the text and email so they get a much higher review conversion rate. This makes it much easier to sell because we can differentiate ourselves from all the other big softwares out there, and it really gets business owners' attention. They love the personalization of this. So all you have to do to set this up is sign up with Nifty Images. I think it's $25 a month. Click on Create Image. Click on Choose Personalized Image. Grab a photo from their Facebook or their website, a photo of the owners, a photo of their technicians. Make sure it's less than 1 megabyte and drag your image there. Then you're going to drag a merge tag layer on the photo. This is how we'll automatically add the customer's name. And then from there, you want to grab the link that they give you. And at the end, after it says equal sign, you want to put curly bracket, contact dot, first, underscore name. That's just the custom field for first name and high level. When that contact's first name comes in, we're gonna add that to the photo. In my snapshot, I actually have a custom value where you can just add it at the settings level, so it adds it everywhere. But if you're not using my snapshot, you can just add that to the image link on the SMS action. And you can see that gets people crazy results. I mean, these review reactivations can change their life legitimately, because now they go from not ranking on Google at all to ranking on the first page of Google and their phone's blowing up. So now that we've covered how to set it up correctly so they stay and pay you forever, I wanna show you why it's so easy to upsell upsell this later. The main reason is we set up that review reactivation and we get a big win up front. They love us. They rave about it. It's like, oh my gosh, nobody has ever said they're going to do something and then actually done it. The marketing company. Most of these local business owners have been scammed by marketing companies. And so when you do this, that is the magic. They're happy clients that now trust you and tell their friends. And it's amazing foot in the door service because so many times they will ask you, they will say, what else do you do? Because they finally found a marketing company they can trust and you make good on your promises. So they want you to do everything else for you. You can see February 6th was a pretty special day for Review Harvest. We've been so focused on reviews and we've been turning down business, doing other services and stuff. And we finally launched an automated SEO upsell that's really easy for us to set up and it gets crazy results for our customers. And in one day, we did over $12,000 in revenue. And the crazy part was I didn't even have to sell this as like some silver bullet that's going to change their business. I just said, hey, you already trust us. We've gotten you a bunch of reviews. This is the next right step. Reviews are about 30% of ranking high on Google nowadays, but the other 70% we can take care of for you. And we've had lots of success with that offer. Check out this video where we go into depth on how to upsell automated SEO. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want to get started with this business model, this simple business model, it's not easy, it's simple. Feel free to sign up my links down below in the description. I have a free community, I have a paid community. If you want to get access to the paid community totally for free, you can just sign up to High Level or upgrade your plan of High Level with my link down below. You'll get access to it totally for free instead of having to pay the $118 a month. I would much rather you get access to it for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I locked myself in my truck until I got a paying customer, check this next one out.